So I'm going to show you now how I am trying to kind of keep things together in my closet, and how my wardrobe works for me, and how some of my ideas and tips might work for you. Number one, out of the gate, first things first, you got to keep it, ladies, together underneath the clothes. So I always say every capsule wardrobe starts with a very, very good spank or commando or bra or whatever it is that you want to wear, but it starts with these, because no matter what happens and how we ebb and flow, whether it's having babies or weight gain or weight loss, we always need to kind of keep it together underneath the clothing that we are wearing. So my capsule wardrobe always is going to start off right here. As I was going through my closet, I found a pair brand new, once upon a time could fit. Now they're going to go to my daughter's closet, but the point of it is I'm starting her off right. I love leggings, but that doesn't mean your leggings have to be the tattered and worn leggings with little limp balls. I have leggings that have a small little coating on them that somewhat look like leather when you wear them. So just that hint of sheen can definitely dress these up, but I definitely can dress them down. So with that, you can never have too many white t-shirts. I mean, in the capsule wardrobe, you could have one or you could have 50, but the point of it is to make sure that it's white. That's the key. If your white t-shirt does not pass the white test underneath the light, that means it's now cut it, make it into a rag for your house, whatever it is, but don't wear it. Yellow is seen in the sun, and it makes you look a little less finished and polished, and that's not what we're ever going for. These two pieces together can be worn obviously like this, and also it can be worn with a t-shirt, with a long sleeve shirt, denim shirt. That's another thing that I think is really pivotal in a wardrobe, is because denim is something that it can be all year round. You don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, it's too hot, oh my god, roll your sleeves up. This denim actually is a linen based shirt. It's lighter, and it's something that obviously can be worn year round. I'm a big fan of this when I'm traveling and making sure that I'm able to wear it anywhere I'm going. If I have on like a long sundress, I can pop it over my shoulders. If I have on the leggings and a t-shirt and I get warm, I can tie it around my waist. So again, having those options, that's what makes the best capsule wardrobe, is being able to mix and match. The other thing is, I am not a lover of denim pants. Number one, they don't ebb and flow with the way my body goes. If I go up, I need my pants to be comfortable. If I go down, I still need them to be comfortable. And when I bend over, I don't want them sliding down my behind. So with that, I have to say that I found a magical pair of denim pants that now I'm kind of obsessed with. They are AYR. I've tried to get them at Queen Anna. They don't wholesale, so I can tell you that you need to go get these denim pants. A light pair and a dark pair. Two pairs of denim pants. I mean, honestly, I gotta admit, I do have more than that. I don't need more than that, because these two right here are perfect, and they're 100% denim, but they stretch. Most denim pants don't. And so for me, comfort is everything. If I'm going through the day, I want to be able to wear what I want to wear, but then also be comfortable. And these pants definitely do that. They also travel well, and they also go back well with the denim shirt, the white t-shirt, and obviously these are just like another pair option for the pants. Okay, ladies, I get it. Sometimes pants is not, that it's not going to work at where you work. One thing that I also say is that there's like one little black dress will take you light years. But now I am also saying that any other dress similar to a little black dress but has some color will definitely take you anywhere. I am also a big proponent, and don't tell anybody, if it is like this is a silk blue dress. You could also, like, depending on the pant that you wear, tuck the front, leave the back, and now you have a shirt. So I'm a big proponent of having multiple ways of wearing one piece, because that way you can travel lighter, your closet's less, cluttered, and less technically really is more. Obviously, like I said, a little black dress will take you a long way. Put a blazer on it, it can go to work. Wear it like this, it's a cocktail dress. A little black dress, and if you can squeeze one in, one that has a color. I am not always about the black, white, maybe blue and gray. Like, there's other colors for a reason. Let's venture out and try them. A little skirt. Obviously, too, this skirt paired back with this white t-shirt goes well as if you wore the skirt with a denim shirt. So again, having your pieces be able to mix and match that's important. You gotta have a blouse, and the blouse needs to be able to go to work. So you need to have one that's like this, that's white with the collar. This one's from Queen Anna, but it has some really fun details on it. And obviously too, it isn't as traditional as a white button-up, but it can be worn like that. The other one is something that has a pattern. I know that people get kind of scared of patterns, but I'm really a big proponent of giving it a try. This one again is something that I am actually planning on, even though the tags are on it, I'm wearing it tonight, but it is something that I'm going to be pairing back with this black skirt that you saw earlier. And so this can go with the black denim. It can also go with the light denim. It also can go with the leggings. I am not one who wears shorter shirts and having my bottom exposed, but there are people who don't mind that. And so if that's for you, go for it. This shirt works well for that. But then also being able to have something that's a little bit more traditional and classic if you so choose. Yeah, and going back to the concept of color, right? This is a dress that is also able to be worn as a long duster. What I said before, having multiple ways of wearing one piece is imperative. And this, my friends, is that. Open it up, white t-shirt, black leggings, out the door, button it down, pop on a heel, and you have a dress. So having a dress that can be worn multiple ways, or any piece that can be worn multiple ways, is a winner in my eyes. Down to the classics, right? Cashmere. Like, one nice cashmere sweater will take you through the year. You can wear it on a cool summer night. You can wear it on a cold winter day, no matter what, because it's a natural fiber and it actually breathes really well. A lot of people put their cashmere away for the summer. I personally don't, just because I am cold sometimes and I don't like to be cold. So I would rather be warm than too cold. So therefore, I keep my cashmere out year round. And last but not least, you gotta have a good blazer. A blazer that stretches, moves with you. One way to make sure that you are always going to be set, no matter what goes on in your life, no matter where your body is in any type of evolution that may be taking place, is making sure that your clothes have the ability to kind of do that with you. Am I saying that everything needs to have a stretch to it? No. I'm saying that like probably 75% of my clothing do, just because I want to be comfortable and I don't want to keep investing in clothing when I don't necessarily need to. And this blazer is one that does that. It can be worn any number of ways, with a t-shirt, with jeans, to the office, over the black dress, over the blue dress. And, you know, it's just something that's a staple in anyone's closet.